Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. Let's see how to make DIY glowing facial oil which will moisturize the skin, fades fine lines and wrinkles, removes acne, reduces dark spot and dark circles. Before moving into the video, let's see the basics of preparing glowing facial oil at home. First, we need to be selecting a base. Our base can be of coconut oil, almond oil or olive oil. When you have picked your base, you can move on to picking up your essential oil. The second step is to pick your favorite essential oil. Here are a few suggestions. If you have oily skin, go for basil or eucalyptus oil. If you have dry skin, go for sandalwood, rose or lavender oil. The third and optional step is adding vitamin E oil. If you want your oil to be extra nourishing, you can add vitamin E to it. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. I am choosing coconut oil as my base and eucalyptus oil as my essential oil. I am also adding vitamin E oil to it. Take a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. Add 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil. Take 2 vitamin E capsules, cut open and squeeze the oil into it. Mix the oils together. Now your easy glowing facial oil is now ready to use. You can apply this oil in many ways. Apply it before sleep and wake up to a fresh, dewy and glowing skin. Do apply this every day to battle dryness, wrinkles, fine lines and dark spots. Apply this before foundation to add the dewy effect. Store this mixture into a bottle. This inexpensive facial oil works better than the store-bought ones. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.